Be silent. Into situations when we feel one can't understand our feelings from our words and when one can understand us without any words. Worry about your character and not your reputation. Because your character is who you are, and your reputation is only what people think of you. Your phone has already replaced your watch, alarm clock, calendar, and camera. Don't let it replace your family. Your mom took 9 months to form your heart. Don't let random people break it in 15 seconds. Never forget 3 types of people in your life. Who helped you in difficult times? Who left you in difficult times? Who put you in difficult times? People's eyes tell me more than their mouths. If you want to be powerful, educate yourself. Saying no is a powerful way to say yes to yourself.